Will you take 50? Okay, $100.
Good, Magilla's yours.
He's really gone. No more Magilla.
Oh, joy.
That Magilla is the untidiest gorilla I've ever seen. Magilla, watch where you're throwing those banana skins. Ooh, that Magilla. The cost of bananas goes up, 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 while the price of gorilla goes down, down, down. Oh, if only someday somebody would come along and say, sold. Magilla, guess what, Magilla? Oh, no, you've been sold. Magilla gorilla. He's healthy and strong. Show him your muscle, Magilla. For his brain? Oh, yeah. That's a good one. My, what a beautiful morning. Maybe today's the day I sell Magilla. Amazing, though, how few people really want a gorilla. Oh, no! Magilla, get rid of these bananas right away!